Shout hi to Bruno XIX. What's that? Hello, Lover Dan. Hi. Guys, for my please subscribe and also join my membership. Hello, Nanny Mom. Harian pa. Sunny Fluorescent. Magandang gabi. Wala akong live kagabi kasi natulog. Pagod. Hi, A11. Hi, Abby. David, baby. It's David. Why you change your ticket? Saturday, 8 a.m. Western USA. Here it's 10:56 in Philippines. Yeah, I have my son on. I have one son. Only one. I am a single mom. Not married, but single mother. Hello, Eki. Very nice. Thank you. Shiva Kumar. Hi. Arnold Perswood. No, I'm not married. Just single. David, Miami, Florida. Hi, David. Shout out from Florida. I have also named David. We're from Massachusetts. Karen, I'm single to live in Germany. Hello, Karen. Hi. Ano yun, may ganda ng suot mo. Ganit bagay sa'yo. Ito talaga sinuot ko. Ano, ilang beses na ito. Kasi madami akong pag ganito. Pag na, ano to? Ito. Magkakabis ako ng marami pag ganitong suot ko. Yellow. You want little to kiss. Hello, Busara Amson. Hello, Karen. Karen, are you a girl? Radang Kayadi. Hello. Hi. Shut up, everyone. Makmak is... Hello. Oh, you're a girl. Thank you for watching because most of my viewers are boys. Hello to Sobomani. Thank you for watching, Karen. Hello, your Raman. Hi. Hi, everybody. Who are living with you? My mother and my son. Why you asked? Only 3. There's my own mom, my 77 years old mom, and my 6 years old son. 3. We're 3. Nice to meet you too. Yes. I'm the okay. Why you ask, Karen? Hello, Renata Esther. Hi. And to Arnold Briscoe. I am from Trinidad. So shout out. Shout out to my 110 viewers. Sorry guys, I was upset last night because I can't open my eyes because I'm so sleepy. I feel I don't know how energy to face on camera on live, but then I'll sleep. I will come to see you. I love to come to see you. Sure. If you like, you come Philippines just to meet me in person. My best friend. Thank you. Hello Karen, are you still there watching? Yes. Hello Angel Valencia. India Calcutta. Shall almost battle evening too. Almost